Hello everyone. If you want to transfer money from Binance to PayPal, here is how you can do it. First, keep in mind that PayPal only supports fiat currencies, not cryptocurrencies. That means you will need to convert your crypto, such as USDT or Bitcoin, into your local currency before withdrawing. Start by logging into your Binance account and going to the Assets section where you will see your balances and options like deposit, withdraw, and transfer. Click withdraw, then choose withdraw fiat instead of withdrawing crypto. Next, select the fiat currency you want to receive. Make sure you have already sold your crypto and converted it into that currency. After that, choose your withdrawal method. Depending on your region, you may see options like bank transfer or P2P Express. If PayPal is available as a payment method through P2P, simply select it, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and review the details before confirming the transaction. Once the transfer is completed, the funds will be sent to your selected PayPal account. Availability of PayPal withdrawals depends on your country and Binance supported payment method. So check the options available in your account before proceeding. Thanks for watching.